Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am gonna play roloxian high school. I love this game now. I am gonna play going to learn number 3. So yeah, I forgot my game. So yeah, I don't know why that guy said I forgot my class in his bio. But yeah guys, we're gonna play this game. So if you wanna don't miss another Roblox video, just put on notification and subscribe and like this video.
And he will be joined by his little sister, Pandas Gaming _TV.
So yeah, she'll be right coming in for a second. I'ma pause it until she comes. So yeah. So we're back with Snow. I don't know why her name is that now. So yeah, go to pool. We're at pool. This isn't like learning anything. It's only learning about swimming. But school had to be like math. Ah! I can't jump. Ah, no! It puts me off. I don't want to go in the water. Now I'm wet. Ah. Ah! I almost fell off. Bad at it. So help me look! I can't breathe. What happened to you, Sophia? So yeah. Okay. I'm a TP to them. No, I'm a TP. What time is it? Are we at the pool? I'm gonna teleport. No, I'm not gonna teleport. Nice. What happened to this girl or boy? This guy that forgot my class dude is now back. Do not be his friend. He looks serious. My nose. Ooh, you can be his friend. Or just gonna exit. Ooh, nightclub. Here we go. Oh my god, this person has a pet. What the heck? You can have a pet? Oh my god, people are floating. Oh my god! Ah. So we are back at this nightclub. I love the nightclub. The nightclub is my favorite one of this entire area in this Robloxian town. First I do Brooklyn and then floor combo. all the way straight, right to the end of it, like this. Gangnam Style, Gangnam Style. Moving the shiny to it. Do not be afraid either. She looks like a maniac. That's so big. She just left. Loading. She typed that in. Do not be caught because. Hi. I just said hi to her. I'm gonna move my camera right over here. So yeah. Gotta run. Hi. I can't say it anymore. How do I say her name? It's impossible to say names. Ooh. So not the question to see. I'm gonna see the beach. Whoa. I can throw this. I can throw this all the way over there. Blah! Just won that. Blah! Just won that. Blah! Blah! I lost that. Oh. Ow. My head. My head crashed. Ow! I lost
Diane,
that.
put this vacuum
I
cleaner
won
upstairs.
that. Ow! I lost that. I won that. Blah, blah. I lost that.
Michael King Julian.
Oh. Well, she's just with King Julian. And hope you liked that video, guys. Subscribe, comment down below what was your favorite Roblox video. And I'll see you tomorrow and put on a notification so you won't miss another video. So bye.
Where are you? Is it Cam?